Plugging cable into switch are quite simple. But what happens if I replace twisted pair wire with telephone wire? To find out this question answer, watch out this video. For this demonstration video, I am using D-Link 100 Mbps 5-port switch. Before starting the video, I cut the Ethernet wire and see what inside this and how it's make different from this normal telephone wire. I am cutting just a sample. So the cable is Cat 5e. I also have Cat 6 and normal Cat 5 cable, and I cut all this cable and see what inside this. So I clearly see there is polythene over the telephone wire and a support wire. So it's a 4-pair Ethernet wire. So this is a Cat 5e sample, and you can clearly see that twisted pair cable. It's quite simple. And now I cut the Cat 5 cable. It's different from Cat 5e. So this is Cat 5 cable sample. It's quite hard to open. Here we get only 2-pair wire. It's normal Cat. I also cut the sample. I cannot clearly see any twisted pair, so there is another sample. So here you can see Cat 5e cable look like. The twisting of both cable are similar. So now I cut Cat 6 cable. So this is quite different from both other sample. Here we can get a plastic support. And the twisting wire are quite hard. And the gauge of wire are both different. This is Cat 6 cable and this is Cat 5. The Cat 5 cable easily break out, and the Cat 6 cable requires some torque to open it. Now I am cutting this telephone cable. So there is no twisting pair cable. Let me focus. You can clearly see a polythene wrap, and you can see there is no twisted pair, straightforward wire. It's 2-pair telephone cable. Now let's check, can we use this for Ethernet purpose? For making this Ethernet wire, I am using this RJ45 checks. So I already create 2 sample of this telephone wire. Both cable are different with from 1 meter. This is the 3.5 meter cable and this is the 2.5 meter cable. Now let's check, can we use for this Ethernet purpose? Before the experiment, I am connecting this Ethernet wire to my laptop and check out the current internet speed. This LAN cable is directly connected to my home router. Currently my laptop supports 100 Mbps connection. So here I am approximately getting 100 Mbps upload and download speed. So now I am connecting this D-Link switch with the experimentally telephone Ethernet wire. You can see that this is active. Let me focus. Port is now working. So forget the focus. So first we try this short cable, 2.5 meter cable. Let's see, it's identifying the network. So here the link is speed in 100 Mbps. Now let's check the speed test again. The 2.5 meter cable worked finally, so I am replacing this with the 3.5 meter cable. Now let's check what result I get. Let's try again. So here we get the clear result. Increasing 1 meter length, we get hugely drop through output. Let's recheck the internet link. So here you can see the cable is not stable. It's try to reconnect and connect. And let me try to focus it. Even the switch can't detect this Ethernet cable. Here we can see this port is connected to telephone wire. Here you can see this light is blinking on and off. And also the PC cannot detect this Ethernet wire. It's try to identify this but cannot detect it. If you love this type of experiment, please give a like to my video and comment out another type of experiment with this network devices.